separate all the egg whites and throw away all the egg yolks, or you can save them for lemon curd. You're all done separating your egg whites, you can go ahead and pour in your sugar. Take a whisk and start working the sugar into the egg whites. Continue working on it until they're well combined. Once they're well combined, set it aside and go ahead and place your pot of water on the stove and make sure your stove is on medium. Place your bowl of mixture on top. Continue to whisk your mixture. This process will take about 10 minutes or so, depend on how fast you're going. At this point, you will start noticing that the color has changed. It's a little bit more pale. As the colors start changing and start getting lighter, you'll start noticing a lot of the foams that are coming up to the surface, and this is what you're looking for. The consistency will become lighter and foamier. And transfer everything into the mixing bowl. After you get everything into the mixing bowl, put in your attachment and turn on your machine to high. Make sure it's on high so that way it can whip really fast and start to cool it down. How the foam start to foam up a lot already. That is the consistency you need to look for, but just continue to watch it and keep checking the side of the bowl to make sure that it's start to cool down a little bit. Mixture start cooling down, you can go ahead and turn the speed level to low, and at this point you can go ahead and start adding your cold, make sure it's cold, chunks of butter into the mixture. And when you're adding your butter, make sure you add in fast, not slow, so that way the mixture is still warm enough to melt down your cold chunks of butter. As you continue to add in your cold chunks of butter, you'll start noticing that it looks really liquidy, but don't worry about it. That's because the meringue is still warm, it's melting down the butter. So just continue letting the machine whip on your butter into the meringue and it will start to firm up. Look at how beautiful it is. You can see that it starts firming up already. And at this point, you can go ahead and stop your machine and switch out the whisk attachment. Now turn your machine to high. Make sure you start whipping on high. Look at how beautiful and soft it is. This is what you're looking for. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the consistency you're looking for. If you just want to use the Swiss buttercream as your filling, you can go ahead and add in some vanilla extract in there and use it as your filling. Or you can use it with fruits or some other things that you want to put in there as flavoring. I will show you another video of how I use my Swiss buttercream with other flavoring. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.